Alright, y'all boys, what it do? As you can see, the 1J is finally inside the IS, yo. We took a mean ass break, you know, your boy got caught up, you know, he caught feelings, but that shit went to the garbage. You know, I'm gonna be real. With this stuff, I'm gonna be real. I caught feelings for someone, and then, you feel me, that shit is completely garbage. But, as you can see, I'm back on deck with the IS300. 1J's in it, running perfectly fine. We had slight issues with the fuel and just getting the car to dial up, but air far is good, coolant temp's good, everything's perfectly fine with the car. Future mods is that we're obviously gonna get a paint job, order a rear bumper, front bumper to get the IS looking completely mint and just getting everything nice and clean. But for now, I'm just running it up with the stock setup. I gotta order me a fuel cut defender and some fuel pressure, some like fittings for the some fittings for the fuel pressure regulators, so I can get everything done with the fuel and we can up the boost. And that's all.
Me go beast on them. I go beast. Go deep, I OD on them. I OD. Apply pressure, put heat on them. Put that 500 degrees on them. 500 degrees. Go dummy, go beast on them. I go beast. Go deep, I OD on them. I OD. Apply pressure, put heat on them. Put that 500 degrees on them. 500 degrees. Countdown, levitate. Going up, elevate. Watch me demonstrate. On time, never late. I grind, celebrate. No pump, fake, hesitate. I been scoring every day. Champagne Perrier. Since 9-3, been in the box, now I'm stepping up to home. Like straight out the sandlot, now I'm plotting on the globe. I work hard, I show love, that karma steady growing. Got this far, I go hard, let God take control. I I was starving skinny, now my weight up, got no energy for haters. See you trying, see you later. I'm shooting for the stars, need no laser beam blowing like the greatest, but it's one who's always greater. Go dummy, go beast on 'em. I go beast. Go deep, I OD on 'em. Apply pressure, put heat on 'em. Put that 500 degrees on 'em. 500 degrees. Go dummy, go beast on 'em. I go beast. Go deep, I OD on 'em. Apply pressure, put heat on 'em. Put that 500 degrees on 'em. 500 degrees. Smell good, skin clear. This here my year. Hey, look up here. This here my tier. Same fit 4 days. I grind 4 ways. I play no games. All me, no blame. On the wave, my own wave. Can't stop my shine. In the lane, my own lane. Can't stop my grind. 40 yard in the V12 and like 1.5. At 19, I cleared 19 in a month, no lie. Oh God. I was starving skinny, now my weight up, got no energy for haters. See you trying, see you later. I'm shooting for the stars, need no laser beam blowing like the greatest, but it's one who's always greater. Go dummy, go beast on 'em. I go beast. Go deep, I OD on 'em. Apply pressure, put heat on 'em. Put that 500 degrees on 'em. 500 degrees. Go dummy, go beast on 'em. I go beast. Go deep, I OD on 'em. Apply pressure, put heat on 'em. Put that 500 degrees on 'em. 500 degrees. Yeah. Go. Tick-tock, timeless, falling, silence. You go, mileage, take off, pilot. Ready for blast off, get ready for blast off. Pilot, go, take off, pilot. Already told you I'm a 1-to-1. I'm about to bust the whole summer up. Plotting, you think that I'm dumb or something? I might lose it all just to run it up. All my best friends dead. Don't take that to the head. Heard what I thought I was from Wall Street. Lately I've been seeing red. But you're dead by the third. Getting burned. All for the dollar, might run out of gas now. You're gone. Way back in school, you were known as the class clown. You're wrong. Why you trying to pull it back now? Why you trying to move fast now? You ain't even all that now. I can hear it in your raps now. Posted proper politicking. Getting back to bigger business. I got cheese like a spinach. I've been running up the digits.